What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, and in the summer, I also enjoy hiking in the mountains.
I really like reading too. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Timeless. What is yours?
I love Timeless too. My favorite book is Infinity.
I've heard of that one. It sounds interesting. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy watching movies and cooking.
Oh, you actually like cooking? I'm really bad at cooking.
It's not that difficult. You just need some practice. If you want, we can cook together next week.
That would be really nice. I would love to learn how to cook.
It's going to be fun. I will teach you how to cook a tasty dinner.
I can't wait.
Part 1. Asking about someone's hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you do for fun? What kind of hobbies do you have? What are your hobbies? What are you interested in? What are you into? Do you play video games? How do you usually pass the time? How often do you read? Have you ever tried skateboarding? Part 2. Talking about your hobbies. I like to play soccer in my free time. I like watching TV. I enjoy cooking. I love to play guitar. I'm interested in foreign languages. I'm into horror movies. I really like hiking.
Dreams are closer than they seem. English helps me.